This is a shorter version of our video titled Visual Phonics for Families Sound Groups. And this video is going to focus on the throat sounds. Now remember, throat sounds are made in the back of your throat. This group includes C, K, Q, and G. And remember, C and K make the same sound. And here's a picture of what the visual phonic symbol looks like. And now that we know what the symbols look like, which are just there to remind us of what the gestures are, here are what the gestures of the throat sounds look like.
Which is k, k. And then we have the Q, which is a combination of K and W. So we have queen, or that would be example, kwa. And then we have G, which is g, g.
Now that the prompts are fresh in your mind, here are some examples of each of the sounds. And the sounds will be at the beginning of the word, the end, and sometimes they'll also be in the middle.
Okay, so first we have the C in the case, so we have cup, cup. And this is a C like in ASL, so just to help remind you, k, cup. We have cake, cake. Then we have cookie, cookie. And key, key, and this is with the K, but it makes the same sound still. Then we have sack, sack. Next we have the Q sound, so queen, queen. Next we have the G sound, g, so go, go. This is G in ASL, just to help remind you that's the g sound. And then we have bug, bug.
Now that we've gone over all the individual throat sounds, here are some examples of having more than one throat sound in a word. And this is just a way to help challenge and push your child to do better at these particular sounds.